Check out the link in the bio of this page to attend a completely free training where I'm going to show you how I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and get this, without ever showing my face, how I make over $1,000 a day from YouTube without recording any videos, without making any videos, and without ever showing my face. I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same at the completely free training at the link in the bio of this page. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and I make over $30,000 a month from those channels. I've made over $300,000 from this channel right here, and I grew a channel from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year without ever recording any videos and without showing my face. So it doesn't matter if you have an accent, it doesn't matter if you don't want to appear on camera. At the completely free training at the link in the bio of this page, I'm going to show you exactly the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of videos super quickly, and most importantly, how to make a ton of money from these videos without ever showing your face, without appearing on camera, or anything like that. So check out the completely free training at the link in this bio.